Exercise 3.2, question number 1. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? Okay, so here if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number means here a number is not given. So what we should do here? Let a number be x. Let a number be x. We don't know what is that number. Okay, so if you subtract means minus. Okay, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, that means x minus 1 by 2. Okay, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2. So this result is there and multiply the result by 1 by 2. Okay, here into 1 by 2. You get, that means this is equal to, you get 1 by 8. Okay, now here we should find the x value. Now this x minus 1 by 2 you should keep as it is. Then this is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 8 you should write as it is. Then this 1 by 2 you should take to RHS side. That means 2 is in denominator. When you take to right hand side, it goes to numerator. Then 1. 2 by 1. Now reduce it to 1 ja, 2 4 ja, 8. Now what is remaining here? 1 into 1 is 1. Here 4 into 1 is 4. Then this x minus 1 by 2 as it is. Minus 1 by 2 you should take to RHS side. So it become plus 1 by 2. So x is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Okay. Now here 4 and 2. You take these two numbers and find the LCM. You know that in 2 table you will get these two numbers. So which one is the highest number? That one will become the LCM. Okay. So this is equal to LCM is 4. Now here denominator 4 is there. 4 1s are 4. Here denominator 2 is there. 2 2s are 4. Then multiply numerator. 1 into 1 is 1 plus 1 into 2 is 2. Okay. Then here x as it is 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. 3 divided by 4. That means here x is equal to, we got 3 by 4. So therefore the number is 3 by 4. Okay. Now come to the point, question number 2. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meters. Perimeters means perimeter means sum of all the 4 sides. So that swimming pool is, it is in which shape? A rectangular shape. Okay. Now here what is given? Perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meters. Okay, perimeter is nothing but sum of all the 4 sides. Okay, its length is 2 meter more. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. That means breadth is not given here. So first we should take What is not given, that we should take here. Breadth of a rectangle be x meter. Okay. What are the length and breadth of the fold? We should find the length and breadth of the fold. Now here, let breadth of the rectangular pool, swimming pool. Rectangular swimming pool. Rectangular swimming pool, that we should take x meter. So according to the question, what is there? Its length. Okay. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. So here length of the rectangular pool L is equal to, okay, twice its breadth means here breadth what we took here, x meter. Twice means double. Okay. 2x. Okay. Its length is 2 meter more. 2 meter more means plus 2. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. So L is equal to 2x plus 2. Okay. Now, so what is the perimeter of a rectangle? What is the formula? So P perimeter, P is equal to 2 into L plus B. This is the perimeter of a rectangle because that swimming pool is in rectangular shape. Now P is given here, so you should write here 154. Then this is equal to 2, you should write as it is. Then L, what we should take here? 2x plus 2. 2x plus 2 plus what is the breadth? X. Then 154 is equal to, this 2 should write as it is. 2x plus x become 3x plus 2. Then 2 you should take to LH side, it goes to denominator. So 154 divided by 2. So this is equal to 3x plus 2. Then 2 1s are 2 7s are 14. 1 remainder. Again 2 7s are 14. Okay. Then 77 is remaining here. Then what we should do now? Plus 2 you should take to LH side, it become minus 2. That means 3x is equal to 77 minus 2. Then 3x is equal to, now subtract 77 minus 2, 75. Then 3 again you should take to RH side. Okay, it goes to denominator. X is equal to 75 divided by 3. 3 1s are, 3 2s are 6. 1 remainder, 3 5s are 15. That means here breadth we got, that is x is equal to 25 meters. Breadth of the rectangular pool. Okay, then length. What we took here according to the question? Okay, so 2x plus 2. Then 2 into 25 plus 2. 2 into 25 is 50. 50 plus 2, 52 meters. So length, what we should find here? What are the length and breadth of the pool? So length 52 meters and breadth is 25 meters. Question number 3. The base of an isosceles triangle. So first we should know that what is isosceles triangle. In a triangle, any two sides must be equal, then it is said to be an isosceles triangle. Okay, now in this triangle you see two sides are equal. Okay, now again according to this question, base is given. Base of an isosceles triangle 4 by 3 centimeter. Then the perimeter of the triangle is 4 integer 2 by 15. Perimeter, what is given? 4 integer 2 by 15 centimeter. Perimeter means sum of three sides of this triangle. Okay, sum of three sides of a triangle, that is said to be a perimeter of a triangle. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? Remaining equal sides means here we should find the x value. Okay, here equal sides here. Okay, so that we should find here x value. Understood? Now here perimeter. Perimeter means we should add all the three sides of a triangle. So x plus 4 by 3. Then perimeter is given 4 integer 2 divided by 15. Now directly you multiply 15 4s are 60. Okay, 60 plus 2, 62 divided by 15. So this is equal to x plus x, it become 2x plus 4 by 3. Now 4 by 3 you should take to LHS side. So it become 62 divided by 15 minus 4 by 3. Then this is equal to 2x. Now you take 15 and 3. Find the LCM. So now you see that in 3 table you will get both the numbers. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So among these two numbers, which number is highest here? That one will become the LCM. So here 15 you should write. 15 1s are 15, 3 5s are 15. 62 1s are 62, minus 4 5s are 20. Then this is equal to 2x. Okay, now subtract here 62 minus 20, 42. Divided by 15 is equal to 2x. Then now 2 you should take to denominator, that means you should take LHS side, it goes to denominator. So it becomes x is equal to 42 divided by, okay, 15 into 2. Then reduce it, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Then again 3 table, 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21. So therefore x is equal to 7 by 5. That means here remaining two sides are equal to 7 by 5 centimeter. Or this one now we can write in mixed fraction. 5 1s are 5, remainder 2. Okay. So this is equal to 1 integer 2 by 5 centimeter. Remaining two sides are equal to 1 integer 2 by 5 centimeter. Because your base is given 4 by 3. So you can write 7 by 5 also, or 1 integer 2 by 5. Now in all these three questions, in all these three solutions, if you have any doubts, please you have to put in comment. That result I will put in the next video.